What if I told you that right now companies are literally paying everyday people to help train AI? And you do not need a degree and you do not need experience. And some of these platforms pay you $25 an hour or more just for rating responses and giving your honest opinion. Now, I found four of these AI platforms and I am showing you all of them on screen today so you can sign up before everyone else catches on. Stay until the end because the last one has an opportunity for bilingual people that most channels never even talk about. So let's go. All right, first one. And I'm starting here because this one, hands down, was the most talked about AI gig platform in remote work communities right now. Now, data annotation.tech, and I want to show you exactly what this platform is and why so many people are gravitating toward it. Now, data annotation connects remote workers with AI companies that need human feedback really to make their models smarter and more accurate. Now, here's the thing about AI. No matter how advanced it gets, it still needs real human beings to read its responses and tell it whether it is doing a good job or not. Now, that is where you guys get to come in. So here is what your day could actually look like in this opportunity. Now, data annotation, you are rating AI generated responses, reading what an AI wrote and evaluating whether it is accurate, helpful, and high quality. So you are writing comparisons between multiple AI responses and explaining which one is better and why. Now you are competing structured tasks that help AI systems learn how to handle different type of questions. And you are doing all of this from home on your own schedule with no boss and no set hours. Now, as you guys saw in the beginning, look at the rate of this that they are paying anywhere from a domain expert 50 to 100 an hour to generalist 25 to 30 an hour. And get this. If you have a background in coding, STEM field, law, medicine, or finance, that rate goes significantly higher than that. So whatever professional background you have been carrying around, data annotation might exactly be what you're looking for. And that is where the expertise start really paying you more than you have ever expected. Now, how to get this opportunity? I know you guys are wondering that. You're going to go to the website. Now, once you go to that website, you are going to apply directly on that site. There is a qualifications assessment you will need to complete. This is not a scary test. It is just their way of making sure that you understand the guidelines before start working live, taking projects. Now, take your time with it. Read the instructions carefully and you will be fine. Now, the acceptance rate for people who are prepared is going to be solid. And payments go through PayPal, which means fast, reliable access to your earnings. So this is going to be perfect for any individual who is detail oriented, reads carefully, and has strong opinions about quality. You do not need to know anything about AI going in. Data annotation will show you exactly what they are looking for. But if you have professional expertise in any specialized field, that pay floor goes up considerably. Stand out by reading every single guideline document that they give you before starting the qualifications assessment. Now, the people who struggle on data annotation are the ones who rush through it with those guidelines. So the people who do well are the ones who take their time to understand what quality actually looks like on this platform before they start rating anything. Now, data annotation is incredible. It's popular right now. And that 25 starting rate is genuinely strong. I'm going to apply for it too. Now, platform 2, this one is newer. Also pays 25 an hour. Every single week, you get a paycheck and has a growing community of workers who are raving about it online. So go ahead, keep watching. All right, Stellar AI. And this one is what I would call the hidden gem on today's list because not enough people are talking about it yet. But the workers who already work on it, they are talking about it plenty on Reddit, on other reviews as well, and they are genuinely positive. Now, here is how Stellar AI actually is. It's a flexible project based remote work platform that connects contributors with AI training tasks. And when I say that they are flexible, I really mean it completely. There are no fixed schedules, no set contract durations, no minimum hours required. You work when you want, as much as you want, and stop when you want. And it is entirely on your terms. I know y'all loving that, right? Now, here is what they are actually looking for and what it actually looks like working for them. So you are going to be creating challenging prompts for AI agents. So you are going to be converting real world tasks into AI instructions. You are developing prompts that have specific correct answers. You are teaching AI tools how to do online research, and you are evaluating AI chatbot responses for quality and accuracy. Now, if any of that sounds interesting to you, then Stellar AI is going to be calling your name because it definitely sounds interesting to me. Now, I said before, this one is going to be paying that $25 an hour. Now, here's where it really got my attention when I found this platform pays 25 an hour and they actually get to pay you weekly. So I really love that one. Not monthly, not whenever a project closes, but every single week your earnings hit your account. And that kind of payment consistency is rare in the AI gig space. And it is one of the biggest reasons people stay on this platform once they get started. And here is something unique about Stellar AI. They actually pay you to complete qualification assessments for certain projects. So even the process of proving your expertise earns you money, and that, I'm telling y'all, is genuinely rare. Now, one thing worth noting, work availability can vary week to week. Some weeks there is more than you can handle, and then some weeks things slow down. So treat this as a great supplement rather than your only income source until you are well established on their platform. Now, this is going to be perfect for anyone who is detail oriented, who enjoys working with language and ideas, and want flexible supplemental income from home. So no prior AI experience required. Stellar AI guides you through what they need. And if you have any professional expertise in your field, you get to earn a potentially more. Now, you can stand out by taking every qualification assessment available, even the ones that seem advanced. Stellar AI pays you for those assessments and completing them, which is going to unlock higher paying projects. Now, the workers earn the most on this platform invest the time up front on qualifications before jumping straight into a task. Now, Stellar AI is a genuine hidden gem, and I love that weekly payment structure. Now, Platform 3, this one has over 1 million workers in 230 countries across 150 languages, and it is one of the most beginner-friendly AI platforms available anywhere right now. And if you are getting started in AI gig work, this next one is your best entry point, so keep watching. Now, OneForma, and this is the one I recommend most for people who are brand new to AI gig work and want a platform that feels accessible from day one. And here's what it looks like. So, OneForma offers AI training tasks, search engine evaluation, data annotation, transcription, translation, and remote data collection projects. Now, the variety means there is almost always something available regardless of your background or language. And look at what you need to get started. Create a profile, get matched, earn certifications, and then get paid. And that's pretty much all you really need. But a laptop or smartphone, stable internet, basic English, and attention to detail is going to be it as well. So no degree, no experience, no lengthy application process. So you sign up, complete your profile, browse available projects, and start working. And that is completely it. Now, pro tip for a lot of people, a complete profile with detailed skills and language information gets matched with significantly more projects than an incomplete one. So when you sign up, take your time filling out every single field. Your language, your skills, your education, your device, all of that matters for the project you get matched with. Now, some projects have a shorter qualification test before you can start, and these are usually quick and straightforward with purpose. Is just to make sure that you understand the guidelines before your work goes live. Now, payments are processed on this one, though, monthly, depending on the project. So this is not the fastest paying platform on today's list, but the consistency and the sheer volume of available work opportunities more than make up for that monthly cycle. This is going to be perfect for those beginners who want to get their foot in the door of AI gig work without any prior experience. So OneForma has the lowest barrier to entry of any opportunity on today's list. And if you're bilingual or multilingual, this platform becomes even more valuable because they actively seek workers in 150 languages, and those projects often pay more. So standing out, all you need to do is fill out your profile completely. Every language you speak, every skill you have, every device you own. Then take every qualification test available. Even if the project does not seem immediately relevant, more qualifications equal more projects, equal more income. Now, project-based varies by task, type, language, monthly payments, all of that good stuff. But this is worldwide, so that's good. Now, This is perfect for beginners, and I love how truly worldwide it is. Now, the last one, and this is the one I specifically want my bilingual viewers to pay close attention to because your language skills actually make you a premium candidate on this platform. So let's go ahead and check that one out. Now, this last one is RWS, and this one does not get nearly enough attention in the remote workspace, which is exactly why it's on today's list. Now, RWS is a global company that has been operating for decades in language services. Now, here is what it actually looks like to work for their opportunities. So, as an RWS contributor, you are evaluating search engine responses really for accuracy and relevance. You are annotating data for AI training purposes. So you are evaluating AI model outputs across different languages, and you are providing the kind of nuanced human judgment that AI systems still cannot replicate on their own. Now, here's the part that I really want bilingual viewers to hear. So RWS is not just looking for English speakers, because let me show you this. They are actively recruiting for dozens of specific languages across every region in the world: Spanish, French, German, Portuguese, Arabic, Mandarin, Japanese, and many more. So if you speak more than one language alongside English, RWS wants to hear from you specifically, and you unlock significantly higher paying specialized projects that most other contributors cannot access. But even if English is your only language, there is still work available for you on this platform. RWS has a wide range of project types and English language evaluation work consistently in demand. Now, the application process for this type of role is really straightforward. You navigate to their website and then find Train AI or AI Data Service Community section. So you could just click search jobs right here, which is kind of like what we did. So let's just choose one. I'll choose this one really quick, and we're going to go here. Now, once you go there, you're just going to apply for that opportunity. Now, this is going to be perfect for anyone who is detail oriented and takes quality seriously, but especially anyone who speaks more than one language. This is the platform where being bilingual goes from being a nice bonus to really being your biggest competitor. Now, you can stand out by talking about specifics, right? About every language you speak and your proficiency level. RWS matches contributors with projects based on language fit as well. So just be thorough and honest in your profile so it can get you to higher paying and specialized work faster. And when you land every first project, treat it like an audition because your quality scores really determine everything that comes after that. Now, again, the pay does vary for these type of opportunities by project, language, and specialization. So remote freelance contractor positions, which is going to be worldwide. Now, that is all for AI platforms where you can make real money from home on your own schedule with no degree and no experience required to get started. All 4 links are going to be in the description right below this video. Go sign up for at least one of them before it closes. And I hope this video helped you. If it did help you, hit that like button and subscribe because I find opportunities like this every single week. I'm so excited for these guys. Drop a comment. Which platform are you signing up for? Because I know I'm signing up for at least 2 or 3. And if you are bilingual, drop your language below. And I want to see how many languages are in this community. I read every single comment, as you guys know. Go for it. You deserve it. And I'll see you in the next video. All right.